Rare footage of Ann-Marie Vaz after the election.
People, as much as all this is funny, it is hilarious. You got to remember, there are some old and young people, middle-aged persons, people that them 20s, so forth, that cannot tell the difference between AI and reality. This is funny. And let me get serious for a second. People who want to say Ann-Marie Vaz needs to dig up the road and because she lose the election. That is madness. Because a taxpayer money do it. It's not her money do it. That is madness. Straight, right, outright and simple. That can't work. However, this video is funny. But at the same time, please remember, people, when you're sharing these AI videos, please to be specific that it is an AI video. Make it bold and clear, because you have persons of all ages who simply cannot tell the difference. Alright? Share your thoughts in the comment section. Like, follow, and share.